if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us.
What is going on, my party people? We are back on this lovely Tuesday. I wasn't going to do a video, but I said, let me go ahead and get this camera rolling because there's a lot of stuff that's going on this week in sneakers, in the Air Max month. But before I get into anything, I'd like to welcome everyone one great big aloha. You see my shirt, got on this Urban Necessities shirt. 2 J's came down for SneakerCon, not this year, but the year before. Got a chance to chop it up with it. It was a very good talk. So yeah, I did end up copping this shirt from 2 J's. Now I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers, continued subscribers. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and all of that good stuff. You know what to do. We're trying to hit, you know it, 10K by Thanksgiving. You know the funny thing is, I don't know, YouTube won't let me be great. For views, I have 1.55 million views. You heard it right, 1.55 million views. If I just had just a quarter of that, I'd be on my way. But hey, I'll be patient. It is what it is. YouTube, they want you to be consistent. I haven't been consistent. I've been slacking a lot. So hopefully I'll get this content out and they'll start letting me get back into the algorithm. As always, go follow the home team, 313 Retro Queen, on the social media platform, IG, Facebook, YouTube, as well as the bro MCFLYKOF, again on Facebook, IG, and YouTube as well. Go subscribe to them. Also, check out our Who Has the Heat page. We're gonna get back up and popping hopefully pretty soon when everybody get done what they're doing. A lot of stuff going on right now, so if you're like up for battling, tap in, let us know what you want to do. We always respond and we will try to accommodate. We would preferably like to do the battles on a weekend, so just keep that in mind. Now, excuse me, I'm gonna try to do most of this from the dome. I don't have any notes or anything. I'm just gonna try to do from what memory some things that piqued my interest. Now, if you guys don't have Twitter or X, Soul Links, they'll let you know if you've been missing drops and stuff like that. I just seen a restock on the Great Fives. If people wanted that, you had what else? Great Fives, Wolf Great Fives. You had the Chase B, Jumpman Jacks, and you also have people looking out for other shoes. So if you don't have Soul Link, that's the one to follow on X. All right, now let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video. Look up there. The first thing you're going to see is the Kobe. I think that's the 5, the Laura Marion Aces that dropped yesterday for $200. I kind of like that shoe, but for some reason it did not. Or I wasn't prepared for that shoe. I thought it was going to be more available than what it was. I'm going to have to go to the store. Hopefully they're available in there so I can go cop those. Not only did they cop those, they had some other pairs. They had the Air Force Ones. You can go check those out. I ain't going to post those. They had the Air Force Ones, which are all maroon. You had some white ones that are white and maroon, which are sitting. And then you had these up there, the ones on the Dunk. I think you had the reserve for those. People wanted those. I don't know about that. I probably need to see that in hand. It looked okay. All right. Then I think today, Tuesday, you had the LeBron 23. I think that's the all black shoe, the mask. He normally sells for $200. Now, if you're not big into LeBron, I would probably suggest to try one and wait for them to go on sale. They do a great job of prison. So I might get one more pair. I'll probably get the chosen one, the white and green. These all black, that's cool too for those of you who want to go to work and you have to wear an all black shoe. You get a lot of bang for your buck. That I ain't no big LeBron fan, but they did very well on this presentation. Now tomorrow, Wednesday, I don't think you have anything. Luckily, I guess they just view me as a high clad or some type of, I guess, like I said, high clad or previous client or whatever you want to call it for GOAT. So they did send me my link. so I can cop those Air Max 95 Oregon, which you have the wood and the lumberyard. Lumberyard is the brown pair, as you see up there. And then moving along, you have on the other side, I put the wood. Now, people saying it was 250 bucks. I'm not sure about that. I got them for 220, so maybe it's just a thing of being a GOAT client and always purchasing from them all the time. So I should have those by Thursday and probably get the video out to you on Friday. Now I think they actually drop Wednesday, which is tomorrow. So if y'all going for that, go ahead. I think there's a very, very dope shoe. Look like most of the people like the green one, all right, which is the wood. I think it is very, very dope because it got that grass. Kind of look like football, natural turf. For those of you going after that, good luck to you on that. Now, moving right along, we going to Thursday. Thursday is very, very loaded. The first shoe you have up there is I think that's the Air Max 95, the big bubble pink pair. I think these are going for, I forgot how many, probably between 160 and 200. I'm gonna pass on those. Some people already got them. Hey, if you like them, might as well grab them. They'll probably sit because there's a lot of stuff that's dropping on that day. Next up, you have the Air Max 95 Greedy. I think this is like the second or third version of them. Not my cup of tea, so we're gonna pass on them as well. Now, the main one I think that most people like in that group is that bandana looking one. That's very, very dope. I think it's like $200 or something like that, which is very, very dope. I may or may not try to get it. We'll see. I think it's dope. Those colors they hit very well on that shoe. I think that's what most people are going after. You also have an Air Max 90 up there that's dropping as well, and I'll be right back. All right, like I said, you have those bandana looking joints with the red. I think those are very, very dope. And then you have some liquid green, Lucid Max or whatever that is, electric. Some people are into new technology. I may try that. I'm up for that. But definitely we'll be trying to get those later. All right. So basically on that, you have 5 shoes to deal with on Thursday. So man, they coming for our pockets. Boy, they are coming for our pockets on Thursday. But then if Thursday don't get you, moving right along to Friday. Another shoe that I've been anticipating with is the Air Foamposite Pro Jordan. I mean, not Jordan. I want to say, I always so used to Jordan. Air Foamposite Pro UNC, which was formerly as a PE. I think it's 23 years or something like that in the making. Some people, thank goodness I was patient because I was going to jump out the window for those. I do have a good amount of foam. So people don't like the foams because foams cost too much, $240, $250. But you think about it, you buy Jordans, they don't last as long. Foamposites, foam to your dome will last you a good amount of time. Now, based on everything in the store, these will probably sit. I don't want to wait because I've been waiting for them. They actually were supposed to drop last month around the same time the Stranger Things dropped. Then they pushed them to this month toward the end of the month. So we'll see. I want to get them, and I'm just gonna kind of wait. Actually, I reached out to a local store here. They seem like they're gonna be pushed back to next week, so I ain't tripping about it, and I'll be able to get a pair of those. Now, if Friday don't get you, then we come to Saturday. You have the Jordan 3 Easter. These shoes are growing on me. Have you seen my other videos? I have the Air Force One. The Air Force One Easter. I probably got to find something to wear with that. I'm going to go to the mall. I seen a shirt. I think I go to PacSun. They have a shirt that will kind of match that. I think those Easters are kind of cool. Maybe double back, get that later. The materials on them look very, very nice. I think 205, 210 is smart. However, they probably will sit since so much stuff is dropping. And then last but not least, which I was wrong, I kept saying the Green Spark, but I didn't know they would push back. But they are pushed back to drop Saturday. I think they only go for 180, 200. Go hit me up and ask me that I want it. I was like, no, it's just, I'm a big, big Laker fan. So for me, it's just too close to the Boston Celtics colorway. And then I said that you see this shoe right there. So I try not to cop too much green. I mean, we'll see. I should have cut my other pair of Jumpman Jacks, the mocha pair, which would fit pretty fire in the citrus. But hey, can't cry over spilled milk. So that is pretty much what you have for the rest of the week. And that's not to mention probably whatever else Adidas throwing in there, New Balance, ASICS. It's gonna be a very end of the week for us. So get your pockets ready. Oh, by the way, I am still looking for someone who know how to do beats, intro, outro. Send them my way. They can hit me up either in the comments here or they can hit me up on IG. It would be greatly appreciated. Now, like I always say, I'm just big OCD on packs. Anytime I get one, I was like, I got to get the rest. So I did complete some more of the packs. I'm just waiting for those to come in. And I did have one shoe to show. I don't think I ever did the video on this one. This is every time they get an Oregon, I always try to get it. 9.5 I can do on that. And the shit probably gonna be coming like so, which is the one's gonna be dropping. And this is the Air Max 187 Lux. All right, it's the Lux. And I'm just gonna do a quick overview on those. And here we go. Bang and bang. This is the Lux PE. This is more limited than the other version that I do have on my feet for today. These are the Air Max, and you see you got the O for the Oregon. Very big height piece myself. All right, you got the laces which come on this shoe, which is in the green and the tan. You got all this shoe is like the different types of duck. That's what the material represents. Look at that. Ooh, you got the perforated holes here. Then you got like the feather look here. So if I was in the sneaker battle, shoe with different materials, that would definitely fit the bill. All right. Then you got the little nylon inside on the materials. You got your green air unit. And I think you got some, I don't know what kind of material this is, but this shoe is crazy. Mini swoosh inside. You don't have the papers inside. And look at that. You even got your quilted insole. Look at that. Check it out. And then that's the part I don't like how to clean it. You got that milky white outsole, but I'm probably gonna put these on this week, which is the last couple of days for Air Max month. And this it should be a numbered shoe. Where's the number? Yep. It is, there were only 225 of these shoes, and I have number 85. Let me see, you can see that? Number 85 of 223. Yep, so that's what this many of these shoes produce. Pretty darn good in my opinion. And I got these from my people at GOAT. As usual, got the Fight Club in here. I don't know why that's in there, but it copied from GOAT, but it is what it is. They got me do some weird stuff. You got these 2 stickers in there. And this is very dope. Look, you got the hang tag, the multicolored. It's a very dope shoe. Just went quick through it. Whew, man. I don't know. Maybe I might try to get that one of these days. Get the other one that's a little bit way up there. That's the green joint, all green. But that's neither here nor there. Very dope shoe in my opinion. Like I said, it represents all the different ducks. I didn't even know that many different ducks with the different skin. But hey, you learn something new every day. All right. So in the comments down below, let me know what you are interested in trying to caught this week. Maybe ain't nothing you want to caught this week. Maybe you're just gonna sit on the side and I say, yeah, E-Money, it is what it is. I'm gonna sit, I'm gonna pass all of this stuff. But that's what we here for. We chop it up in the comment section. Until the next one, we out. Peace.
Music.